It's Friday in New York City, and that can only mean one thing after 4 o'clock. Well, in this case, it means two things. My tie and suit is off. Actually, I'm wearing my Brooklyn Nets jersey for the game tonight. And it's happy hour in the Big Apple. Grab that drink. U.S. stocks, they trimmed early gains Friday afternoon as investors positioned for the end of the quarter Monday. Now, Wall Street saw an early rally on data that had U.S. consumer spending rising and signals of possible stimulus from both Europe and China. Now, consumer spending rising 0.3% in February after climbing by a revised 0.2% in January. Also, the Thomson Reuters University of Michigan Index found consumer sentiment hit 80 in March, just below an 80.5 estimate. The Dow Jones rising 0.4% with Microsoft pacing gains, the S&P 500 advancing 0.5% with energy leading gains. At the same time, after wavering between gains and losses throughout the session, the Nasdaq Composite climbing about 0.1%, approaching the closing bell. Now, for every share falling, more than two gained at the New York Stock Exchange this afternoon. And let's now take a look to see how the markets not only closed out the session, but the week as well. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, shares of Tesla Motors jumped after the National Highways Traffic Safety Administration said it has officially closed its investigation into fire accidents of the electric car maker's Model S vehicles. And JP Morgan on Friday revising its estimate of real annualized GDP growth in the first quarter from 2% to 1.5%, while leaving its projection for the second quarter unchanged at 2.5%. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, or do what I'm about to do. Run over a couple blocks away to the Barclays Center and get yourself some Brooklyn Nets basketball. The only winning team in New York. That's right, I said it. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. I'm here in Brooklyn, New York, and guess what? It's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closed. That means the weekend is finally here. And yes, again, I'm in Brooklyn.